Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a walker tray. I love it. I'm just gonna start with that. You get directions and you have this little QR code here to show you how to install it, but I'm gonna show you, it's so easy. You get a piece of like this sticky, tacky material to put on top. I love this. This is a nice little bonus. This is going to keep things from sliding around on the tray when you are walking. Some other things that I love is that you have this little lip that is on 3 sides. So again, it's going to prevent things from falling off. And you have 1 and 2 pockets. You can see them right there. They're mesh. And then you have this part that comes down in the front and you have these mesh pockets here. I love this. I am all about being organized and having everything with you so that you can just have more convenience, and this makes your walker more functional. So on the bottom, you have these straps and we are going to loop them around each side, and then you put them through the little like buckle here, pull it through and strap it on. So let's go ahead and do that. And last, you are going to take the Velcro that is on the front, and that will keep your pocket together. Okay, look how nice this is. So sturdy. So let me show you with a few items on here. Okay, you always need your remote. Let's pretend this is a glass. Look at that, it stays perfectly. Could also put a glass in here. So nice. Here's a look from the side. Now, just so you know, the reason this is sticking out here is because of my walker. On my walker, this is adjustable and I can make it wider. So this does fit all types of walkers. And I did want to show you that this walker also comes with the newer stand-up option, so I can still use this. So this is truly a universal tray. And if my walker was wider, I'm going to show you, this will still fit because this is so adjustable. And there we go. Even with the wider walker, this still fits because again, I can adjust it. This is so great. I know you're going to love this. This would make a great gift for someone you love who uses a walker. I always say, pick up 2 so that if you want to clean one, you can like switch it out if something happens, because you are going to love this so much that you're going to want it on your walker all the time. So have a great day, everyone. Links are below.